All right, here it is. The 4th of July giveaway right here on Papa's Corner. Now, you've all been waiting for this. I am so excited. I'm pumped. I'm ready for this drawing. Now, if you commented on Pappy's video, Pappy's blowout giveaway video, if you commented on there, I'm in, I want in, then you're in. There were 24 confirmed entries. So I've got over a dozen prizes, so over half of you is going to get a prize right here, right now on Pappy's Corner. I have 5 drawings coming up, and I'm going to try not to split the film or cut the film or do any editing, but I will 5 times because I got to get the balls. My balls got to be right? Now here's what I did. The very first one that said I'm in is number 1. The second one that said I want in is number 2. Now, if you didn't tell me what prize you wanted, I don't know what drawing to put you in. So, if you want one bad enough, let me know. I want a koozie and I'll send you a koozie. How's that? Now, 2 are in on the vape. So you got a 50-50 shot there. 4 are in on the tea. You got a 25% chance there. 6 are in on the hat. And 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17 are in on the mug. The mug was real popular. And then I have 6 in on the koozie. So, the koozies, well, you can pretty well guarantee you're going to get one if you wanted one. So, let's get started. I have taken, I'll keep the camera rolling, 24 bingo balls. And there they are, right there to confirm it with y'all. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if your number is 14, there you are. Or 13, buddy of mine in Florida, Tim Green. Alright, 15. Alright, here we go. 16, 17, 18, 20, 24. Your ball is there and going in here. There's 16. See, that's why I put this towel around here. So when they all start rolling away, I can get them back in position. We'll redo that here, but let's get moving. And 23. Okay, 16, 23, going in. All right. Here's the door. Open the door. There's 2 balls in there. I'm just going to do it right here. Nothing to get all excited about. And I'm going to turn this because when it comes out of there, it comes out of there. There it is. The winner, number 16. Now I'll get them all set back up and we'll go for the second drawing. 16, drive shaft Drew. You have won the vape package from Papa's Corner. It's a good vape package. Now, Drew, I'll put you back in because you get 2 shots at this, remember? 16 is back in. Alright? So, now the next drawing is going to be for the T with a P. And I have 4 people who wanted in on the T with the P. There we go. Number 19's going in. Number 22 going in. Number 1 going in. And there's number 7 going in. Close the lid. And I don't want, I gotta figure out which way to roll this thing. There we go. If I roll it this way, well, I'm gonna put that back in because I'm trying to get it to mix them a little. Well, that first drawing, it didn't do much mixing. So if I go away counterclockwise, I can spin it all day counterclockwise. And there ain't a ball that comes out. Okay? Now as soon as I go clockwise, There comes our winner. This is for the T. The T with the P. Number 19. Alright, if you're number 19, you have just won the T with the P. Number 19 is Mr. Something Basic 215. You have won Pappy's T with a P. He says, I'm in to win. And by golly, you did, Mr. Something Basic 215. And I've been to your channel. Checked you out, watched a couple of your vids. Right here it is. The T with the P. Gonna be coming your way. So you winners, be sure, and I'll put on this video in the description my email address. You need to send me your snail mail address so I can snail mail these on out to you, and you'll be getting them in a couple of weeks, so definitely get them out to you snail mail. I'm going to give 30 days. That's a heck of a long time for you guys to give me your address, otherwise you forfeit. If you forfeit, well, I'll decide what to do from there, okay? And we'll announce that too, but chances are there'll probably be a few of you that don't even know you won or give me your address. If I don't have your address, can't send your prize. So you forfeit, right? Alright. Let's get on drawing number 3. This is for the hats. I'm going to shut this off. Okay, now I'm all regrouped here. There it is. Let's just read them off as we put them in the thing here. Okay, putting this in the cage. Number 6. Going in. And there it is. Number 2. Going in. 6 and 2 are in there. Now I need, there's 13. 13. There you go. 21. There is 21 right there. Going in. 24. You're going in. And then we got 22 sitting there. I'm a little out of order, but that don't matter. There's 22. Alright, there's 6 of yous in there. Now, counterclockwise, nothing happens, alright? Counterclockwise. There ain't a bingo ball coming out. Now we're going to stop. Here comes the winner right here. I'm going to pick 3 hats. There's 1. Here we come again. There's 2. And here we go. There's 3. And it went rolling over here. I caught it. Drop her in there. So we got 3 winners right there. Winners are 24, 2, and 13. There's 24. Cooter. Cooter, you won yourself. What'd you win, Cooter? I believe it was a hat. Yes, sir. You won yourself a hat, Cooter. Alright. Alright. 13 is Tim Green. Heck, I knew that. Old buddy in Florida. And 2 would be the second person that responded to this blowout giveaway. Driving me crazy. Good channel. Well, better check. Yep. Number 2, driving me crazy. Alright. Hat coming to you. Let's move on. The mug. We have 4 mugs given out. So, but we got a lot of entries. So I'm going to go ahead and get them pulled out and put in there right directly. Okay, I'm all regrouped now, and I'm going to put in the balls for the drawing for the mug. We have 19 people wanting the mug, so we will start out with number 1, number 2, number 3, Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. 7. 8. 9. Number 10 wanted in. And number 12 wanted in. Number 13 wanted in. Number 15 wanted in. Number 16 wanted in. 19. 20. 21. 23. And 24. So we'll close the lid. And I got this little toggle clamp on here. So with the lid closed, now I am going to draw 4 balls to see who wins the coffee mug. Get them mixed up good. All right, let's go. We'll get 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, and there's 4. There's our winners for the coffee mug. And let's see who they are. $19, 7, 3, 23. Okay, number 3 is Milena. Number 7 is Duke's Small Engines. Number 19 is Mr. Something Basic 215. And number 23 is Fred Larson. Congratulations to the coffee mug winners. Okay, I got Pappy's pup. All the fireworks have got him scared. But anyway, all the people that wanted koozies are going to get a koozie, right? Yeah. So what do you think of that? I don't even have to do any more ball spinning. You're all getting a koozie. If you said you wanted a koozie, you're getting a koozie. If you didn't know what you wanted, you're going to get a koozie. So, go on there. If you didn't know what you wanted, didn't tell me, you're going to have to give me your address. In the description of this video is my email. Email me your address. All you winners, I'll need your address. Okay? So, without an address, within 30 days, the prizes are back up for grabs, right? Maybe we'll have another little giveaway. So remember, do something nice for someone today. I love it. Happy 4th of July. Wonderful stool I have here.